Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Gorkha Engineering. Today in this video I am going to show you how we can switch or operate AC bulb using simple magnet. Are you ready to make this project? If you are ready to make this project, now let's get into the video. You can see in my video here that I operate this 220 volt LED AC bulb by using this small magnet. This is my design, and use this design carefully so that no fault occur on your system. This is a small piece of copper wire, and I connect this piece of copper wire to one coil of the relay, and it seems pretty good. And this is a hall sensor, and this hall sensor is I get from CPU cooling fan. You can use any hall sensor, but input, output and VCC ground should be properly identified so that no fault occur on your system and your project will continue to operate successfully. Let's connect this hall sensor pin number 2 to this coil. I connect pin number 2 of this hall sensor to one of the coil. Now let's connect another coil to pin number 1. I connect pin number 1 to next coil. You can see here that pin number 2 of hall sensor is output, and I connect this female AC socket one pin to normally open terminal of this relay. Be careful because this is 220 volt AC. This is red wire I use for supplying positive power to this circuit, and you know here that pin number 1 is positive supply. The hall sensor of pin number 1 is positive supply. Here is circuit. Now it is time to connect negative wire to pin number 4 of this hall sensor. I use blue wire to supply negative power to this circuit. Let's connect blue wire to pin number 4. Hey guys, be careful. Pin number 4 to negative power. And I use this 9 voltage battery for power supply to my circuit. You can see, and it can be very easily find on various electronics stores. And this is 9 voltage battery, and I connect this red wire to positive supply of my battery, and I connect blue wire to negative power supply of this 9 voltage battery. First connect DC power, then only AC, because AC is more dangerous than DC, and DC is only 9 voltage and AC is 220 voltage. This is AC bulb holder, and now it is time to connect this holder to my circuit. I connect this black wire to neutral pin of this female AC socket, and it is time to connect a red wire, and I connect red wire to common point of relay, red wire to common pin of relay. Let's connect red wire to common pin of relay. Yes, be careful, connect carefully. Let's connect phase and neutral power supply so that we can glue 220 volt AC bulb by using this circuit. Now it is time to connect AC bulb to the circuit. You can here see that I connect 220 volt AC bulb to this AC holder so that I can control this AC bulb 220 AC bulb by using any magnet. You can see here that I use this magnet. I get this magnet from old speaker. You can use any magnet, motor magnet, speaker magnet, electromagnet, even whatever you like, but it must have magnetic power. You see here that my project is working well. If you want to make this project, follow each and every step, and my very important notice to you that follow my design carefully so that no fault occur on your system. Hey guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video, and please subscribe my channel for more video like this.